Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. This will help you add another extra layer of security. And kindly remember to like this video because it really motivates me. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. Click on the Facebook app. Okay, now you want to click on the profile picture, the far right. Then click on settings. The next thing you will do is click on Meta Account Center. Okay, now you want to click on your profile. Okay, just go back so that I can show you clearly. Click on password and security instead. Then click on two-factor authentication. Then click on the profile that you want to go into this one, the Facebook profile. Then you will see options for two-factor authentication. You can get login codes via WhatsApp and there are additional methods here. Okay. Now this is my phone number here. This one ending in 68. So I can get login codes via SMS or WhatsApp. It depends with what I choose. Okay.